Hey, what's up, guys?
Today I will be doing a review on the Leatherman multi-tool. Let's open the box. So here we have a case. Opens up here, it's nice and tight. There's the inside. It's very good material, and it has a spot so you can carry it on your belt over here. You can see that. And let's get out here are extra pieces I bought. They're for screwdriver tips. I think it's about $10 or $15. They're specially for the Leatherman. And here is I think this one comes with the actual Leatherman. And over here, I have no clue what these are, but guess we'll find out soon. So now let's get to the best part. The actual multi-tool. Here is pliers. There are very pointy pliers. Over here, as you can see, there is a wire cutter, and after that there is also, okay, you could close this. Here we have a saw, nice saw, and I don't know what this is, we'll find out in the instructions soon. And what's good about it is there is actually a lock, so this cannot move. You press this, hold it down, and there you can close it. Then we have here filer, or if you want sand him, you can make the wood flat or sand your nails. I mean filer nails. Yeah, here this also has the lock. Then there is a knife over here. It's a very sharp knife, and also has a lock. And here's like a real double-bladed saw. There's nice. Wow, that's nice. That also has a lock. Let's get back to here. Let's show you. There's inches and centimeters. It goes up to 7.5 inches about, and 10.5 centimeters. Then there is over here, inside. And then we have here screwdriver. Here's Phillips, here's flathead. You can switch it to whatever way you want. As I told you in the beginning of the video, I have these extra tips. And you can also take them out and put them in. Then we have here a bottle opener. That's good if you're on the go, you need it. By the way, you can close this and you'll have it just there. I forgot to tell you guys, everything here has a lock. Even the screwdriver, you press down here while putting it back in. And then there's one other side over here. For here, let's check this out. Okay, so here we have all these tools. So this is the Leatherman Charge. So I think it's the Charge plus TTI. I'm not mistaken, so I'm almost positive it's this one. But let's check. Let's double check. So it says over here we have number 23. So that would be a large screwdriver. That's what this is over here. And there's also there's more stuff. There's this. This is a small bit screwdriver. And that's removable, and you could switch it. This is Phillips. Very hard to see. Never knew about this tool, but maybe you can also buy extra bits. I don't know, but you guys should check that out. Yeah. So then our last tool over here is scissors. Let me get that out. Yes. These scissors I actually like a lot. They have a stick here. It's like a spring, so it shoots back. And it can cut. It's very strong. I'll show you guys. Here. It's not so big, so can't get a lot unless you take a while, like cutting through this whole paper. But yeah, they're very good scissors. So thanks for watching today, the Leatherman Charge TTI. I'll link in the description below for where to buy this. You could buy Amazon, from Leatherman, a bunch of places. They have a bunch of other multi-tools. I have another Leatherman multi-tool. I'll be doing that in one of my next videos. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.